Good morning, students. Today we are going to do science subject. Date is 30 April 2020, and in this we are going to start our senses. Have you ever tried to walk with your eyes shut? You must have bumped into things around you. Our eyes help us to see. Yes, we all know that without eyes we can't see. So our eyes, it's an important part of our body which help us to see. We can see the color of flower. We can see if trees are far or near. We can see the colors of flowers. We can see the colors of flower. Which is this color? This is pink color. Which is this board's color? It's black color. Like this, yellow color. Like this, white color. Like this, so many things are there. This tree, it's having green color. The leaves are having green color. Then so many things are there in this world to see. But how can we see? We can see it only with our eyes. Okay. So our ear help us to hear. The second sense organ is ear. With ear we can hear. Music sound nice, crackers sound loud. See, music, can we hear music without ear? If we are not having the power of hearing, then we cannot hear any sound. See, bird chirping. Can you hear? Just because of our ear. Now, our nose help us to smell. Our nose help us to smell. See, so many flowers are there. But how can we feel it? By smelling it. So our nose help us to hear, to smell. Rose smells sweet. Garbage smells bad. Rose smells sweet, but garbage smells bad. We taste with our tongue. We taste with our tongue. Now, first is eyes. Number 2 is ear. Number 3 is nose. And now number 4. With the tongue, what we do? Sugar. We taste. We taste anything. Sweet, sour, bitter, salty. You know, sugar is very sweet. Now, lemon is sour, khata, sour. Karela is bitter. We call it bitter gourd. करेले को हम कहते हैं bitter gourd. Bitter gourd is bitter, kadwa. It is very bitter in taste. Chips are salty, you know, because you like it very much, and I know all the students eat chips, so it is very salty. Namkeen. We can feel it, something touches our skin. We often use our finger to touch. Cotton is soft to touch. Needle can prick us. So many things are there which we can feel it by touching only. Cottons are very soft. Needles are very sharp. They prick us. Ice cream is cold. That we all know. Electricity iron is hot. Yes, of course. Now seeing or sight. Hearing, smell, taste and touch are called senses. See, there are 5 sense organs. You know, organs are eye, ear, nose, tongue and skin. Like that, sight, hearing, smell, taste and touch. These are senses. Our sense help us to know what is going on around us. Our sense help us to know what is going around us. Now, some people do not have all the senses. Many of the people do not have senses. They learn to live without using these senses. They learn to live without using these senses. Some are deaf, blind. So, they live without these senses. But God has given us all these senses. So, we are very lucky to have all these senses. Now, we have to find out which part of the body is used when you smile. Which part of the body we use when we smile? It's mouth, it's lips, it's face, it's our mouth. Okay. Power to see, hear, smell, taste or touch. These are sense. Now people who do not have any of the senses learn to live without them. Yeah, they learn to live without them. बिना उसके वो जीते हैं. बिना सेंसेस के वो जिंदा रहने के लिए मजबूर है. जैसे ये ब्लाइंड पर्सन. Now we are going to do the activity 2, the second activity. So there is a, please girl come here, there is a girl, we will play this activity with this girl. So ask your friend, you can play this activity with your friend, or mama or papa can play this activity with your kids. So please parents, tie a hanky on your ward's eye and then try to say who is talking. Okay girl, can you tell, can you say who is talking? क्या आप बता सकती हैं कौन बातें कर रहा है आपके साथ? मम्मा. Okay. Now walk around the school garden. So we are not in school. So walk around your house or in the lawn of your. Otherwise, you can sit at your home and play this game with your mama or papa. Now with your nose, eyes closed, smell the flower. I'm giving this flower to this girl, and we have to. And we can see that this girl is recognizing the smell or not. So girl, please tell me which is this flower? Which is this flower?
This is a rose.
Okay, please loudly.
This is a rose flower.
Very good. So this is rose flower. She has recognized. Can you tell me some name of the flowers?
Rose, lily.
Some more. 2 more. Rose, lily, marigold.
Tulip.
Like this, so many flowers are there. So one thing is more. Now your mama or papa will give you a bag containing a few things. Feel it with your fingers. You have to feel it with your finger. And can you guess what they are? So I'm giving this container to this girl. Girl, please, you have to feel and tell me what is it.
This is a teddy.
Okay, very good. Now can you tell me what is this?
This is a book.
Okay, very nice, very good. Can you tell me what is it?
This is a tomato.
No.
This is the.
See this side.
This is a Shimla mirch.
Yeah, but what we call it in English?
Capsicum.
Yeah, capsicum. Now what is it, baby?
It's a tomato.
Okay, tomato. Very good. Now can you tell me this? What is it?
This is a pen.
Yeah. And what is it?
This is a cloth.
Wow, very good. Clap for this girl. Very brilliant girl. Okay, now you are free to move. Okay, baby, go. So, like this, we can play a game. Like this only, we can play a game with your mama and papa. So, please play this activity at your home and enjoy. And stay home, stay safe. Thank you.